What's up, guys? I'm gonna start like vlogging every day, so you know, cause good things might come from that. But like, you know, I had to sleep, so like sometimes, you know, I might get up late and then we can start vlogging. But we're gonna go get some gas in my brother's SUV, and then we're gonna come home, and then we're gonna plasti-dip my car, cause it's like the paint is fading, and I don't want to like. I just want to just put a quick fix. It's not the greatest fix for paint, but it's just a quick fix. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna see how it turns out. I did the little horn because the mount broke for it, so like where the horn's at, it was like silver. I did that. I sprayed it. It was like um, I did that with plastic, put like 4 coats, and like it was really cool. So yeah, plastic's pretty cool. It's just time consuming, and I'll show you how I'm doing it. So let's go to the gas station, and then let's plasti-dip my car. We're just plasti-dipping the bumper, and then the trunk, at the top of the trunk, because that's the only things that are screwed up. But yeah, let's go.
Darling, you send me, I know you send me. Darling, you send me.
Alright, we gonna go get some Burger King, and then get gas, and then go home, and then plasti-dip my car. But this Jeep's pretty cool. It's got like, it's like tan, and it says like Willys. That's pretty cool. I like that. But yeah. You got the GameStop right there. What's she doing? Oh. They got a big GameStop. And then they got down there, they got vendors, and they got Subway down there. Subway. Subway. Horn work? He's got a Sparko steering wheel. Look, Sparko. It feels good. Oh, wonder what.
Is it an automatic?
No, it's stick.
Oh, what's that? Is it street wheel?
So this is a slingshot. It's got an audio system right here. Sparko steering wheel. That is pretty cool. Oh, this sucks getting out of it.
I like it.
That's pretty cool. Lemon light, and it's like where they sell cars. It's automatic. I think it's too hot. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool truck. It sits down really well. Oh, he's got air. Okay. He's got an air system in it. How much do you want for it? Oh, he wants 10 grand. That's a lot. That's cool. It's a cool truck. $1,100. Okay, I'm sorry for the randomness. Basically, we went, got gas, got food. That's all really happened. And I got back and I uploaded my PS4 Thrustmaster wheel. It's got like 500,000 views. Look at it. No, I'm kidding. You know. But we're gonna back up the car, and then we're gonna finally plasti-dip it. I've been putting this out for like a whole week. I don't know, I've just been tired and stuff. So we'll back it up, and then we'll do it. Yeah. moved the car out a little bit. Now I just gotta prep this, and then we'll coat this whole thing. Okay, so we got everything masked off. And just got the blinkers masked off. And we'll clean this, and then we'll plasti-dip it. And then when we're done with that, we're gonna do the back right here. It's a little choppy. It's gonna look sick. So let's clean this up, and then I'll put on the first coat and show you. And I just have this cardboard down here so I don't spray. It all. Everywhere the concrete. Yeah, right there. Alright, so let me go do that. What's up, guys? So it's been a couple of coats later, and it's looking pretty sweet. So plasti-dipped it, and yeah, it's looking pretty sweet. There's some spots to where they're like a little splattered because I had to fill them in, like right here. But this will dry out. It's a little, you can kind of see it on camera, right there. It's like a little splattered out, but yeah, overall it looks pretty cool. But that splatter will dry out, and it will dry into the thing. So I'm gonna give it some time to dry, and then we'll turn around the car, and then prep that, and then do the other side. And yeah, plus the other side. It looks pretty good. Sorry for the wash and dry, but we got it all done. And it looks pretty cool. It's definitely better than the chip painting. I'd like to get it repainted, but this is a good cheap measure, and you probably can't hear me, but it doesn't look that bad. It looks pretty sweet, I think. A new hood to where this is actually pointy, I think it'll be okay. Yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for today's vlog. I'll edit it in the morning. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and whoop.